Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be testing different viral TikTok food, life hacks, recipes, whatever you want to call it. I believe I've done 2 of these videos in the past. I'm doing one more today, and then I plan on definitely doing more in the future. So if you subscribed, you're making sure that you're not going to miss those. And honestly, some of the TikTok trends keep getting more and more fun, so I think the videos are going to keep getting more and more fun, and I know you guys do not want to miss out. So make sure to subscribe. It also helps me out a ton. I don't remember the last time I ever asked anyone to subscribe, but it helps me so much, and I really appreciate it. I'm getting back to posting 2 times a week, so if you'd like to stay here for that, it's gonna be super fun. Sorry if there were any little changes. I have to change my camera because that one died. But yes, I am so hungry, so I'm actually really excited to get started with this. I haven't eaten lunch yet, and I have a very big need of it. So getting started on life hack number 1. It is the jalapeno cream cheese Takis thing. This was viral, I would say, a few months ago. I'm a little late to this one. I have more current ones later in the video, but this one was very big at one point. But I mean, yeah, it's super simple. All you're gonna need is Takis, jalapeno, and cream cheese. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start by cutting off the top of the jalapeno and de-seeding it. I do not want any seeds in this. Next, you need to get your cream cheese. I'm using this tofu cream cheese. Kite Hill is my favorite, but this is just what I have, so I'm using it. And you're just going to stuff the whole thing with cream cheese. Or drop all your cream cheese on the ground. That works too. Not drop it on the ground this time, and stuff it inside of the pepper. Make sure there's, a good amount, but not too much where I can't fit in the chips. So there's a bunch of cream cheese inside, but I feel like there's not too much where when I put in the chips, I can still push it down. I'm just gonna take a few Takis and push them down inside. I'm gonna try to fit 3. Here we go, and now it looks like this. If you want to be completely honest, I'm not a big jalapeno fan. I don't like the way they taste. It's not even the spice for me, it's the way they taste. So I'm afraid that I'm just not gonna like this. We're gonna give it a shot. Honestly, final verdict is that it's not that bad at all. For me, not being a big fan of jalapenos, it's not horrible. I don't think I see myself making this again, but I also do get the hype. I think for me, this would be good with like bell peppers. Bell pepper just tastes a lot better. But yeah, it's pretty good. It's not that bad. I thought it was gonna be worse than it actually is. I definitely could eat this. I won't go out of my way to make it again though. But yeah, if you like these, you haven't gotten a chance to try it yet, make it. I bet you'll like it. Recipe number 2. The one that I am most excited for, and it has been the biggest trend currently on TikTok, and it is the Quadrant tortilla fold wrap thing. You'll see what I mean when I get into it, but you basically get a tortilla and you cut it from the middle down to one of the sides, and you fill each corner with a different food. And when you fold it up, it becomes like a wrap with different tortilla layers. And then you grill it. Normally people use a panini press. I don't own one, so I'm just gonna use like a pan and hope for the best. But yeah, I'm very excited about this, and I'm very hungry, so let's get started. People have been making these wraps with all different types of foods imaginable, but I think the most popular one has been a breakfast style sandwich thing. So of course I have my flour tortillas. I then have some spinach and avocado, the last of my Kite Hill cream cheese, and some of this cilantro chili bitchin sauce, and tofu, which I'm gonna make into a tofu scramble, like a super simple tofu scramble. And that is what is gonna go inside of my wrap. So I'm gonna get started on my tofu scramble. I think all I have really is like tofu, onions, some spices, nutritional yeast. That's kind of it. So yeah, let's get started on that. And then once the tofu scramble is ready, that's the only hot item in my wraps, and I can make the wrap. So all of the toppings are now finished, and I'm just going to cut and assemble. So I'm just gonna use a knife, if I can, to cut down right here. So there's now just a cut down the side. First corner is the tofu scramble. Then I'm gonna go in with this Kite Hill cream cheese. There's not a ton of the cream cheese, that's why I'm also gonna put some of the cilantro chili bitchin' sauce that I showed you earlier. Next one is just spinach, pretty simple, but want it to have some greens. And then lastly, I'm gonna cut into this avocado. I really hope it's a good one. I feel like it might be. And that'll be the last quarter of this. That is a very pretty avocado. And then lastly, I'm adding some avocado. Getting down to the line out, lastly, I'm also adding everything with the bagel seasoning. But now it is time to fold. So now it looks like this with all the layers, but I'm going to actually grill it in a pan for a little bit and then I'll eat it. My camera's about to die, so I'm gonna try this very quickly. I hope it's good. Don't know if it's a trend that made it good or the fact that I'm just such an amazing chef. This is amazing though. I would recommend this, 100%. Okay, it is now time. I just ate that whole wrap thing, the entire thing. It was so good. I will definitely be making that again. If you want to make something close to that, you should and let me know because it was amazing. But anyways, the next hack is where you take like a skewer or some type of stick, I'm using a chopstick, and you stick it into the little pointed lemon. It's supposed to be able to squeeze out a ton of lemon juice. This is much more simple than the other ones I'm trying in this video, but I just thought that it was very interesting and I wanted to test it out. If I can stick this in the lemon, that'd be a nice start. So yeah, here it is. I'm going to take this out, and I have a cup of water right here. Maybe I should set it down so I can use both hands like she did in the video. Probably smart. Okay, yeah, well, I have lemon juice all over my sleeve now. I mean, it works. Like, lemon juice came out. Obviously, lemon juice was going to come out. There was a hole in a lemon. I don't think wherever you put the hole was going to work. But it just did not shoot out like the one in the video. Maybe a different lemon, works differently. I don't know. I was hoping to have some really cool like lemon gun, squirt lemon juice people. Didn't work. So yeah, that was kind of a fail. I would kind of just cut your lemon normally and squeeze it, but it was worth a shot. So now moving on to the fourth and final hack of this video. I am going to be making like cookie cups. What did they sound like exactly? Little cups made of cookies that you fill with like milk, and they're just kind of cute. So I have some pre-made cookie dough. Of course, I could have made it myself, but I already had to do a lot of cooking for this video, so I bought some. One may be missing because I may have eaten a raw one, but we don't even know about that. So I saw two different methods for making these. Both use a mug, a muffin tray. And either you would put them in the inside, to make little cups, or you'd flip it upside down and put it over like this. I watched videos of both ones. They both seemed to work, but I'm gonna go with my gut, and I think that this one works better because when it puffs up, it'll puff up outwards more than inwards, and like I don't want to close the hole. Like close the hole the water goes in. Not water, milk. So basically all I need to do is take a piece of cookie dough. I'll probably have to form two together maybe. I'm gonna push them down, and I'm going to, I should probably put some butter on the outside of it and form them around the mug to make cookies. I was going to make 5 of them, but then I realized that I'm not going to eat 5 of them. So I just made 3. I'm gonna stick them in the oven. This says, how long? 11 to 13. I'm probably gonna do it in a little longer. I'm gonna go in 15 minutes and then I'll check up with you guys. Time to check the cookies. Hey guys, like and subscribe. That's wicka. Please look in the oven. Oh no. Cookie cup! Yay! I'm just holding ice. I think for one of them, I'm gonna try to cut it.
Yeah.
While it's still warm.
Gosh.
And remove the excess, and the other one's just gonna let cool, maybe?
Yeah. My idea always works.
Of course. Whoa. Sorry, I don't feel like zooming out. I'm gonna let this cool. Then I'll get back with you. Please just work. I just want a cookie cup.
It's so cute.
I know.
I think if it hardens, it's actually gonna work.
I hope. Okay. It's now late. But, whoa, I'm going to ignore the cookie pieces. No way. It worked. You know what I just realized? People were not putting milk in these. Milk would just sit, like go right through. I'm gonna use those little cups for ice cream. I'm gonna put some vegan ice cream inside. That'll be good. Here we go. Here's my cookie cup. I have my ice cream inside. I think that's very fun. So yes, that was the end of this video and end of all the hacks. I had such a fun time filming this, and I hope that you all had a fun time watching it. Let me know what I should include in my next trying TikTok life hacks video. Make sure to subscribe, as it helps me out so much. And thank you all so much for watching this video, and I'll see you all in my next one.